Want to make your assignments more credible? In this video, we will look at an informative yet simple referencing style that will be easy for you to incorporate and easy for the reader to understand. Harvard referencing style, also known as author date style, allows students to easily credit someone else's work. It is a popular method used by students in their assignments to refer to original resources. It is made up of two main components in text citations and referencing list. In text citations, references appears at the end of the source without any quotation or paraphrasing of the text, and in referencing list all the cited sources will be shown at the end of the document in an alphabetical order by the author's last name. Now let's understand this style with some detailed examples. In text citation structure and example of books. Reference list structure and example of books. For books with more than 2 or 3, the names of all the authors are given in both the in-text citation and the reference entry. If the number of authors exceeds 4 or more, only the first author's name is used, followed by et al., italicized, which in Latin means and others. Reference list structure and example of book with 4 or more authors. Journal articles are highly trustworthy sources of information. The example was authored by more than 3 individuals, so the term et al. Is used in place of listing all authors. When it comes to journals, the volume number comes after the title. These data are stated alongside in brackets if there are any specific portions of the issue that are numbered or structured according to months. In text citation structure and example of newspaper or magazine. For online articles, you should always try to include the URL and date of access your source in the list. In text citation structure and example of images. If the image is on the internet, then the place of publication and the publisher name are replaced by the image URL and access date. In text citation structure and example of films. For films, the name of the film is used in lieu of the author's name. This covers everything related to Harvard referencing style. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.